Legends of Learning presents the MathSlime 2 Rebuild the Village game. This is a math game that makes learning about basic addition and subtraction equations fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, the MathSlimes return in a second adventure. The enchanted forest is hit by a storm damaging their village. In this adventure, the MathSlimes will need your help to clean up the mess, rebuild the village, and bring nature back to life through three magical levels. You can choose one of the three village heroes to help you on your adventure. To complete the objective of rebuilding their homes, you'll have to manipulate additions and subtractions in order to find the number of missing materials. From a damaged place to a warm and magical home, you will see the evolution of the accomplishment in your work. After all the tests, you will know how to manipulate numbers in an equation as well as the MathSlimes. Use the mouse to click on the map to move the MathSlime to collect the right amount of objects to complete each task and to move on to the next level. Complete all the levels to win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing.